The Google Pixel 7 might not upgrade one important key features over the Pixel 6. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as we already know that the Pixel 6 series has been launched a few months back, but recently the Pixel 7 series continues to make the headlines because there are some leaks and rumors coming for that device. The leak render video that has been appeared a few days ago give us a detail about the design of the upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 device. To be honest, looking at those videos, there is only going to be a camera outline to be present on the backside of the device. The rest of the specs are going to be exactly same in terms of design as the Pixel 6 series. You know that Google has firstly introduced a massive upgrade to the Pixel 6 series, not in terms of the design but also in the camera and even the processor. Well guys, for the first time we have got the information about the camera specification of the Pixel 7 series. Leaker Yogesh Bor claims that Google will most likely use the same optics for the Pixel 7 series as the Pixel 6. If the leak turns out to be accurate, the upcoming Google branded phones will retain the 50 megapixel GN1 primary sensor and the ultra wide sensor. Any improvement in the photos will come from Google further optimizing the sensor, its image processing, and taking advantage of the most powerful ISP in this year's Tensor chipset. Unlike most Android manufacturers, Google does not tend to upgrade the camera hardware on its Pixel phones every year. Instead, it further optimizes its algorithm to get the most performance from the sensor. Similar technique has been introduced by Samsung in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's coming with a similar sensor as the last year S21 Ultra, but it has been optimized the sensor to fully utilize the power of sensor by using the software. So definitely if that leak is true, then this is going to be a big move. Anyhow, moving forward, we also have some news regarding the Google Tensor chipset. Basically, as you already know, Tensor was the first chipset introduced in the Pixel 6 series devices and it performed really decently. But now there are some leaks and rumors on internet, particularly coming from unknown sources, give us a detail that the upcoming Tensor 2 chips will be coming with an AMD GPU inside. And to be honest, I don't think that this is going to be happening because Samsung has made an agreement with AMD and both the companies will be utilizing processor rather than giving them to the third party. So I don't think that AMD collaboration with Google is going to be happening soon. And you guys, Pixel 7 series will be coming with a similar design, similar specification, even some minor improvements you can see here and there in terms of software. And we expect that Google will be learning from their mistakes in the software department in the Pixel 6 series devices, and this year the Pixel 7 will be much improved. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.